One more tested COVID positive in Assam. Total cases rise to 44. Family seeks assistance to rebuild home destroyed by Tuesday's storm. Dator Sports Complex set to become the biggest sports arena of Eastern Karbi Anglong. Hello viewers of Karbi Anglong Live, you're Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news of the day. Now let's move to the news in detail. The slow but increase of COVID-19 positive cases in Assam is a cause of great concern for both the government and the public who are directly affected by the lockdown. Here is a report. Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma through his official Twitter page informed that one person was tested positive for COVID-19 in Assam. The person who had been found with the virus hails from Kokrajhar and has a travel history of Coach Bihar in West Bengal, which has become one of the hotspot states in the country with as many as 1,344 cases and 140 deaths. With the latest report case, the total number of COVID-19 in Assam has reached 44, out of which 11 are active, while 32 persons have been discharged and the number of deaths still at 1. So far, in India, 1,691 have died of the virus at the time of compiling this report. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. Two families of Matipung area located behind the Deephu Arboretum has pleaded for immediate assistance to rebuild their houses, which were completely damaged by a storm that hit the district on Tuesday evening. Here is a report. The fierce storm which hit Deephu town on Tuesday evening at around 4 p.m. destroyed two houses inside the Matipung area near Deephu Arboretum Garden. The house belonging to Sukur Singh Rongpi and Anantirang were severely damaged and the roofs were blown away, leaving the two families homeless. While speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, the affected family members urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for their assistance. They could not afford expenses and materials for its repair due to lack of money as a result of the lockdown.
La tomon ke the jok la nili hem ting rong pon ikplang no la sila so putha ar leng the tum long ba ke the ding tum long ke rap si cho hang pon long yu ke chong dat pin ni ta war sa be tel ho la da han nili hem ke jo ho la dak pen na pangjar dak an si van dali ki hem an
la bang shooting ne ja kwana por lo
a por ke tumi arni ga sam sari
baji te nang le tum lo ma
siksak lo la non bang ke siksak dam ke la arbe non lo jang bom lo la pen la pua sap so berenda chichu do la a rep la puna se du bom lo
imen ke pilo
Sukur Singh Rongpi ni men
kona lo
ke the rong pi rong dak do bom ke dak rong su pi diku.
It may be mentioned that Tuesday's fierce storm had damaged several houses in Deephu and adjoining areas, while report of damages of houses and properties are likely to increase in the days to come. Rosan Ansay for Karbi Anglong Live. At a time when the world is going through immense suffering from the global pandemic, several houses were flattened in Moiso Ingti village, leaving families homeless. This natural disaster in the form of fierce storm has now added to the miseries of the poor families. Our Delhi correspondents bring you this report. Altogether, 12 families had been severely affected when the storm that hit the village on Monday evening severely damaged their houses. In addition to this, the affected families say that so far they had not even received any food item from the authority nor from the local elected KAAC representative and EM Longki Timong during the lockdown period. In addition to this, villagers told that no one has visited their village.
Nili tumarong along tarikre for ni kang sam apor temon ithi pe yong nili hem ru erlo sila bang so hem noni tum ke do thai ka ve hala so hota sarpi phanta ni tum sarpi ning kan pharo sira ning kan troxy nili pe phantani tum amoi ke chinghum sini tum benan so si jar chong man sini tum do thai bang si nili tumarong pu inti hem sini tum chipa chong non na Karbi Anglong arleng ke thea ke hai tum phan kan la pen ke media tum bendang lok alam tum phan ka chung ripon ke bang so pichulong ni tum ta war sai ke dei phan sina tum phan ke rapi pon po si tuning ripon lo.
The situation of the village is quite upsetting and distressing as families are facing food shortage, but the families have expressed their hope on the present team Karbi Anglong for their immediate response once their story is conveyed to the leaders in public.
Nilitum es labang so arong mo ti sarilang so long sa minitum sabon jang tu nilitum long nang ron ripin la si kado la si am phan sami long tuliram long han sami chun parpik lo kado bilon nilitum han nang kirapon ji phan nilitum lahai ki long nun jia ke apilam nilitum hem andon tin sa tami tumon ki the pe na jok nilitum hem an tami do thai we son sami nilitum han kado ka wes tami nilang lipinang la son.
It may be mentioned here that this village is more than 60 years old and is located at 8 kilometers away from Hidipi town, but the village is still being completely deprived of any government schemes or projects. These families are now looking forward to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CAM Tuliram Ronghang to help them out from their hardship they are going through. Bijoy Rongpi from Delhi reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. Much before the nationwide lockdown began, all schools in India have remained shut and students are being deprived of their wonderful moments at school. However, to ensure that students engage themselves in learning while staying at home, Serihun English School is engaging digital mode to keep the students busy in their books. Here is a report. Taking the advantage of the lockdown relaxation, the school managing committee held a meeting with the teachers on syllabus to be covered before the half-yearly exam. As part of the meeting, the school decided to use WhatsApp to provide notes, questions and home assignment topic to the students. The first 4 chapters from every subject will be included for this first batch of home assignments, said the principal. The teachers have also assured to reach out to every student at the earliest time possible. Besides that, class 9 and 10 students have also been directed to tune in for online class being broadcast through All India Radio by SEBA at 189.39 and 158.4 kHz and 102.7 MHz on FM band from Monday to Friday every week. Several schools from Deepu also following the same method to keep students near their books. Bijoy Rongpi from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. In order to boost the sport culture in entire Karbi Anglong Autonomous Region, the construction of stadium complex has been initiated in all the constituencies falling under KAAC. Likewise, the Daithor Sports Complex is also gradually creeping towards its completion. Here is a report. With KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang himself being a great lover of sports, the hill districts have witnessed many outstanding works. Under his initiative, the ongoing construction of Daithor Sports Complex in Dwarbaguri constituency, including an auditorium, indoor stadium, gallery and the forest IB near this project area are nearing its completion too. There will be 2 entrance gates to ensure free movement of spectators. Presently, the construction of entrances are expected to be completed within a couple of months. This complex, once completed, will be the first of its kind and the biggest sports arena in the easternmost part of Karbi Anglong. The people of Dwarbaguri, mainly sports enthusiasts, are looking for an early completion of the complex. Liu Seng Chris Pastimung for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Stay safe and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.